means photoelectric effect. Look here. This is the metal plate. Every metal plate consists of large number of free electrons, that is outermost electrons. Here light is fall. This light have above the threshold frequency or equal to threshold frequency, then electron emitted. Here I take another metal plate. Here Nana, this is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This is called cathode. This is called anode. Here light have certain frequency. Here electron emitted. Okay, electron emitted. Here none. Electrons emitted because of light. Here minus is there. Because of minus, electron have negative charge. Negative, what happens? Repulsion. Positive, negative, what happens? Attraction. So, flow of charge occur. Here, because of potential difference, here, which will be flow? Current. Once again I repeat. Here electron, because of negative repulsion, because of positive attraction, so flow of charge is nothing but the current. According to Ohm's law, V directly proportional to I. Simply here PD increases, current flow also increases. Once again I repeat. Here PD increase means this is more negative. This is more positive. Once again I repeat. Because of potential difference, current will be flow. Now PD means potential difference increases. Look here all of you. PD means potential difference increases. Potential difference increase means it becomes more negative. It becomes more positive. More positive means more attraction, more charge flow. Simply PD increases, current also increases, and all electrons comes outside, then current reaches a maximum value and it will be saturated. Current increase, all electrons come outside, finally it reaches a saturated. Simply current reaches the maximum value. Current reaches the maximum value. After that, PD increases, current does not increases. Once again I repeat. Because of potential difference, current flow. Here PD increases, current flow increase. All electrons are outside, then current reaches the maximum value. After that, PD increases, current does not increases. That current is called saturated current. Okay, Nana? Look here. Next now. Here PD is reverse. Look here now. PD is reverse. Reverse means minus place plus plus place minus. Simply terminals of the battery is interchange. Simply negative place write positive, positive place write negative. Simply potential difference is reverse. Potential difference is reverse means here this plus minus name చేస్తుంది attract. That means slowly PD reverse PD increases, automatically electrons retraced back, slowly current decrease, reverse PD increase, current decrease, finally current becomes zero. Then because high reverse PD applied, all electrons are retraced back. That means come inside. Its meaning is finally photoelectric current is zero. The corresponding reverse PD is called stopping potential. Once again I repeat, what is the stopping potential? Stopping potential is the reverse PD or the negative PD at which photoelectric current is zero. The reverse PD or negative PD is called as stopping potential. What is the stopping potential? The negative PD at which photoelectric current is zero. This negative PD or this reverse PD is called as stopping potential. It is generally denoted by V naught. It is generally denoted by V naught. Stopping potential always denoted by V naught. Sai Malik, what is the stopping potential? It is reverse PD applied at which photoelectric current becomes zero. The reverse PD is called as the stopping potential. We know the graph is drawn. Look here now. Here now the discussion is potential taken as x-axis, current taken as y-axis. Look here. Potential taken as x-axis, current taking on y-axis. In the situation, potential taken as x-axis, current taken as y-axis. Here initially PD increase, current increase, current reaches the saturated value for a given intensity of light. Okay. But the reverse PD applied, current decrease, finally current becomes zero. On the x-axis, y becomes zero. Simply here on the x-axis, y becomes zero. This point meaning is on this point current becomes zero. This reverse PD is called as stopping potential. This is the graph of the potential and current for a given intensity. Look here. Here now, another interesting point. Look here now. Next, intensity is double. Look here. Current also increase because the today first concept is intensity is directly proportional to current. According to that situation, intensity of light increases, photocurrent also increases. So that's why on the y-axis, this is intensity increases, current also increases. But stopping potential is same. Because stopping potential does not depends upon the intensity of light. Okay, look here. Relation between frequency of incident light and stopping potential. Very important point, very important notice. Look here. Relation between frequency of incident light and stopping potential. Look here now. Here now. This is the metal plate now. Metal plate consists of large number of free electrons. Actually, it is connected to negative terminal of the battery. But here we discuss stopping potential. It is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Reverse PD is connected. Here, light fall on the metal plate. Here, according to question, frequency of incident light increases. Frequency of incident light increases. Kinetic energy of emitted electron increases. Here, electron have frequency of incident light increases. Frequency of incident light increases, kinetic energy of emitted electron increases. Its meaning is electron emitted more speedily. That's why here this more speed of electron attract more. So here frequency of the incident light increases, more stopping potential required. Stop the electron. Simply, frequency of the incident light increases, more stopping potential is applied. Simply, frequency and stopping potential both are directly. Once again I repeat, frequency of incident light increases, kinetic energy of electron increases. Today's second concept. Okay, kinetic energy more unte it stop cheyalante more reverse PD is required. Simply frequency of incident light increases, more stopping potential required. Simply frequency directly proportional to stopping potential. The graph is most important, Nana. Look here, the experimental graph. Look here. Here, frequency can be taken as x-axis. Frequency of incident light taken as x-axis. Stopping potential denoted by V0 taken as y-axis. Once again I repeat, frequency taken as x-axis. Stopping potential taken as y-axis. The graph starts here because on the metal plate electron move outside. The minimum frequency required. The minimum frequency is called threshold frequency. This is the shape of the graph. Look here. Okay. We know that what is the Einstein photoelectric equation? E equal to W naught plus KE. According to meaning, energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. Electron just move and the emitted electron moving. Okay, here look here. According to this situation, we know E formula H nu, W naught formula H nu naught. Here nu indicate frequency of incident light, nu naught indicate threshold frequency plus KE. According to electricity, potential definition is W by Q. According to this situation, W equal to QV. Here W is nothing but the energy. Energy formula QV. Simply kinetic energy formula QV. Very important, QV. Here nana Q, charge of the electron, QV. Q indicate E. Here the potential we discuss stopping potential, so it write as V naught. What is the new formula for kinetic energy? EV naught. Yesterday I discussed kinetic energy formula of mv square. Here none. H nu minus H nu naught equal to EV naught. What is the formula for V naught? Look here. H by E nu minus H nu naught by E. Here E numerator, other side denominator. According to graph, stopping potential taken as y-axis equal to frequency taken as x-axis. It write M minus C. This is called in the mathematics slope equation. Here compare this equation. Here what is the formula for slope? Slope formula is H by E. What is the formula for slope? H by E. This is the formula for slope. What is the formula for slope? H by E. H is a Planck's constant. Its value is always fixed. E is called charge of the electron. Its value always fixed. What is the H value? 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. E value, electron charge, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Both are constant. Simply slope is constant. In any situation, in any final exam, the graph is drawn between stopping potential and frequency. In this situation, slopes ratio always 1:1 because in the situation slope is constant. Slope is constant. The question is in the final exam, one metal plate first initially taken, potassium plate is taken, next bromine plate is taken, next copper plate is taken, next another metal plate is taken. To find the ratio of slopes under the graph is drawn between stopping potential and frequency. Overall, the graph is drawn between kinetic energy and frequency. In the two situations, slopes formula is H by E. This is a constant value. So that's why slope does not depends upon the nature of material. Mari slopes ratio is 1:1 and so on. Look here, Nana, very important point.